Hi everybody, Chats with Jedbaby here. Today we are taking a look at our Winter Snowflake Poppets. So these Winter Snowflake Poppets come in two colors. One is all white and the other is purple and light blue. So these Snowflake Poppets, they are a star-shaped appearance and they also have 6 branches each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I like about these poppets are that they are actually of a larger size and they are puzzle pieces, as you can see here. And they also can be easily removed from the center of the snowflake. So as I mentioned, you can take them apart easily. And you could also reattach them easily as well. And you can also do the same with the purple and light blue snowflake over here. So as for the pops, you can just go ahead and listen to them. So that's pretty loud. So one side is loud while the other side has a softer sound. So whatever your preference is, there is a sound option for you. So I myself prefer the louder side of the snowflake. So check these out at our shop, jedbaby.com. If you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe. All right, till then, bye.